Welcome back to ChatUP POS training series. In this video, we'll walk through how to use the POS Cashier System. The POS, or Point of Sale System, is the tool you'll use to take customer orders, process payments, and print receipts. It helps make transactions faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. Now, let's get started. Let's start by logging into the front-end system. Enter your account and password, then click Login. A pop-up about binding store and hardware will appear. Each account must be linked to the correct store in advance so you can select it when logging in. Please note that the store manager must log in first to complete the store binding process. Cashiers will not be able to log in until the store has been successfully bound by the store manager. You can enter the POS machine serial number or skip it for later. Click Confirm to continue. And don't worry about software updates, the POS system automatically updates every time you log in. Next, enter the opening balance. This is the cash you'll use to give change throughout the day, plus any remaining cash from the previous day. After confirming the amount in the system, place the cash in the register. Let's get familiar with the ordering page. On the left navigation bar, choose Cashier. On the right, you'll see the menu classifications, which is categories of products or services. When you click one, the related items will appear in the ordering area with photos and prices. Later you can click an item to order it for the customer. A pop-up will appear where you can customize details such as size, add-ons, or quantity. Once confirmed, the item will appear in the order list on the left. Above the order list is the membership section, where customers can log in or sign up. Below it, you'll find the billing details, including any coupons or promotions applied. Let's first dive in on the member login and registration. There are a few ways to help customers claim promotions or use their membership. If the customer isn't a member yet, you can register them by clicking Sign Up in the upper left corner and entering their phone number. There's also a more option for adding extra details like nickname, gender, or birthday, but this is optional. If the customer is already a member, simply help them log in by asking their phone number. They can also use QR scan by opening their member QR code in the app. They just need to go to My Page on their member apps, then member code. Cashier staff can scan it directly to log them in. Once logged in, any available coupons will automatically appear in a pop-up window. Staff can select them right away, or later by clicking the coupon button. Next, cashier staff can take customer order. To take an order, select the category, pick the item, customize it as needed, then confirm. If you see a pop-up for insufficient inventory, that means the item is out of stock. You'll need to update or add inventory in the back-end system. Next, we can help customer to redeem some promotional activities. If there are promotional activities available that's specific for members, click the activity button at the bottom to join. Just select the activity and confirm. You can also check their coupon wallet to see whether they still have unused coupon and choose the coupon to redeem for customers. And if a new promotion is added during your shift, simply log out and log back in to refresh the system so the activity becomes available. When the order is set, you can move on to payment by clicking Collect Payment. A payment window will pop up. On the left, you'll see the price breakdown. Original price, total discount, final order amount, and the amount to be received. Just below that, you can choose the pickup method, whether it's dine-in or take-away. On the right, you can apply discounts with the Senior Citizen or Persons with Disability discount button or add customer details through the Customer Information button. This is also where you choose the payment method, whether it's cash, debit, or QR. Once the details are correct, confirm the payment. The receipt will automatically print. Then, there is a function called Pending Order where you can pause an order. Just click Pending Order at the bottom left and it will save the order to the pending list. The Pickup Order button shows how many are stored. To resume, click Pickup Order. Choose the order you want. and confirm. The items will reappear in the order list. To view store orders, click the Order option in the left navigation bar. Select any order to see its details. To refund, open the order, then click Refund at the bottom right. A window will appear where you choose the refund method, add the reason, and enter the authorization code. An important note: the code is managed by the store manager, so they'll need to assist with this step. If the system goes offline, any orders will automatically upload once the connection is restored. Just make sure to stay online regularly so all orders are updated in the system. To reissue an order, go to the order page and select the order you need. The order details will pop up. Then, click Reprint Bill on the right. For takeout orders, whether they come from delivery platforms or will be delivered by the store's own courier, if the platform isn't linked yet and needs to be entered manually, you can use this function. Just click Takeout on the left navigation bar. Select the platform at the top, choose the products from the menu on the right, and add them to the cart. Once you're all set, click Collect Payment. And if the customer is a member, remember to click Login or Sign Up in the upper left corner. In the payment window, fill in the order details such as pickup number, customer info, or delivery fee. Then, click Confirm to complete the order. Staff Handover. Click Handover on the left navigation. You'll see the shift report. Open the cash register, count the cash, and compare it with the opening balance and today's sales. Enter the actual amount in the system. Then click Confirm to finish the handover. Then, you can also check on the report. Click Reports on the left navigation bar to view different types of reports. The operational statement lets you filter by time period and check things like sales, payments, refunds, discounts, platforms, and member details. You can also do daily settlement and print the report if needed. The product report helps you see sales by category or by individual product, and you can filter it by time and menu category. This one also supports printing. And lastly, the Cashier Record shows data for each cashier. You can filter it by date to see their shift times and performance, and of course, you can print this report too. Next, you can also head to the setting. To change system settings, click Settings on the left navigation bar. Here you can adjust receipt and label printing, whether to enable store tax calculation or not, language preferences, POS device info, such as serial number, license number, and authentication time, and historical receipt backups, which you can view in your device's local folder. On the left navigation bar, there is Commodity Scrapping menu. Choose More, then choose Scrap. Here you can see products that have been scrapped. For example, items that are damaged or can't be sold. You can filter the list by reason, status, or time. And if needed, you can also create a new scrap record or cancel one from this page. That's the end of this ChatUP POS training video. Now you've learned how to take orders, process payments, handle handovers, and use reports and settings in the cashier system. Thank you for watching.